What's up, guys? I'm doing an unboxing on the Dragonball Super Dragon Star Series Gotenks Super Saiyan. They're Gotenks, and these are gifts from Three Kings. I got a Jax Goku and Erwin Goku. This is about damaged. This is King Kai's Planet dead, and this Krillin for like the movie series. And then I got these little toy ones. This is really cool. It comes with a Gohan and a motorcycle. I'll show you when it's done being assembled. My brother's right here, so if you hear noise, then that because he's assembling it. Let me just show you the package. You already saw that. There's this hair toy. A nice picture of Gotenks. Then you have Brawly. I like to call him Brawly. Gotenks, Android 18, Majin Buu Final Form. Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta. I like to call it Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan. And Super Saiyan 2 Gohan. This is Super Saiyan 3 Gotenks. Alright, well, let's get to unboxing. Then a hand fell out. Let's get to unboxing. Sorry if you're disturbed by the sniffing, I think he's sick. I'm unboxing them by the order I found them because they're like wrapped up. It's like we wake up every morning and they're wrapped up. Or not every morning, just 3 Kings morning. So he has, it makes it look like they put like the background of some hair, so it makes it look like he already had it on, kind of. Alright, so let's take out, oh my gosh. Let's put the hand back in. So you can fit? I don't know, alright. As you can see, it's kind of weird. See, there's like nothing there. It's like, that's cool. So, this actually weighs kind of like, it's kind of light to be honest. To be like this much here. Oh, this is really light. Oh, he's really stiff. Oh, this is awesome. Let's put his hair on. Alright. It's on. Oh, this figure is really cool. Let's see if we can stand up. He really can't stand up. Okay. Okay, he can't stand up because of the weight of his hair, but this is still a really cool figure. Oh, wow. Oh. We have somebody coming in. Alright, this is what was going in. It's just like 40 by the way he was going, like you just see the top. Yeah, there's Goku, the motorcycle, and Gohan. Oh, this is really cool. Yeah, that's what that. Yeah. Oh shoot. Alright, there we go. Oh, his hair fell out. I never even knew that. Yeah, well, this is like, it can't stand up because of the weight of his hair. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, thank you guys for watching my unboxing on, whoa! It's so heavy, it can't even hold another box. Wait, another box can't even hold his weight. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and